Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically enhance your audio and remove background noise in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this audio, like this record button here, and I'm just going to start recording my voice. 3, 2, 1. This is me just testing the voice. Okay, so this is what it'll sound like before. I don't know if you can hear it. This is me just testing. My mic is already clear, so I'm just going to select this and I'm going to select the enhanced voice. You can adjust the intensity here as well, and you can also select noise reduction if you'd like to remove background noise. I think it works a little bit better if your mic isn't good already. This is me just testing the voice because it sounds just the same, but yeah, that is pretty much it. You'll need the pro feature for this. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!